I too, my love, wish you were with me here in my bed to be able to hug, you kiss, you give, you all the affection that I feel for you, my love. All I want is you. I just want you. I only think about you day and night. I want to be happy by your side. I want you to be happy. I love you forever. I cannot think of anything else. I only think about you at night. You are everything in my life, in my head, my sun, my moon, in my day, my night, my cold down. If you are going to warm me up, to warm me up with your heat, with your love, morning to you, I cannot love you enough because you are a precious jewel in my world. Everything you do, the way you eat, the way you smile, the way my name rolls off of your tongue, all that is what keeps me going. It gives me so much joy to watch you be you. I would never give my attention to anyone else because I love giving it to you. The day when you were born, it was raining. Actually, it was not raining itself, but heaven was crying for losing the most beautiful angel. I can create another Odyssey describing my love for you. You have such a profound influence on my life that I cannot erase the memories of you even if I live for a million years. I am lucky to be part of your life. I will love you till my last breath.